Good afternoon to everybody and wishing you all very happy new year. Dr. Sujata K. Das, Dr. R. K. Mishra, Dr. Chauhan. I feel quite privileged to be with you today afternoon. And really, I was very glad to know the high words coming from a very senior, seasoned and intelligent group of doctors, surgeons. Normally, scientists, people with a scientific aptitude are very miser in showering praise on their own colleagues. On their own colleagues for the reason best known to them. Now, over a period of time, Dr. Mishra has attained the status of a guru. And one of the audience has very clearly given you the definition of a guru. Now, one can classify gurus into many categories, but for your convenience, I can only classify into three categories. First guru is mother. The second guru who empower you with intellect, who make you intellectually strong. And the last and final guru who provides you salvation. That is known as a spiritual guru. So, Dr. Mishra has traveled a long distance and slowly, intellectuals become philosophers and philosophers become spirituals and spirituals becomes And I tell you one thing more. Dr. Chauhan is not much behind. He is shoulder to shoulder him. And so is the case of Madam Sadhana, who is very fond of sitting at the last seat of the house. Now, it is the delivery of the knowledge. Everybody has a knowledge, but very few people know how to deliver it. Now, this is an art, and Dr. Mishra has perfected that art. The most complicated things are made very simple by him. I am a journalist. I am not knowing this laparoscopy, surgeon, etc. because I am from the administration side, though I was a student of biology. But whenever I come for any project or proposals and discuss with him, he makes those complicated things in such a simple way that I myself start feeling that I have become an expert. And I think this is almost the same reaction I have got from you. Now you yourself has admitted three things. One, confidence. There is no battle in the world which cannot be fought if you are confident. You yourself has admitted that he made you competent. And if you are confident and competent, naturally you are empowered now, empowered with the knowledge. So, no, these things you should also pass on to the posterity, your other colleagues, and keep on updating. Stagnation is the most unwanted thing. So keep it. Rise above. Make human life as simple and as easy and as healthy as possible. Nowadays, the perception of the people about everybody, including administrators, lawmakers, politicians, teachers, and also doctors, is not very good. Commercialism has come into that. My suggestion to this August gathering is this, and it is also said in Gita, what is your due you will definitely get. Nobody can take your due. So what is destined for you, you will definitely get. So please, for the sake of few bucks, are to become quickly richer. Don't play with the patient. Actually, he is something is a very, very precious thing for you. If patient is not there, then there is no need of having a doctors. If diseases are not there, who will come to us? So please, the knowledge you have gathered, the knowledge you have acquired, the knowledge you have learned, take proper care by treating your customer, your patients. And also spread this light for others. And that is the right way to praise Dr. Mishra. What you have learned from him, pass on to others. You will not lose anything. And he has not lost anything. I think on every day he is gaining in his empowerment. Now today is our chief guest. Is a young lady having a diversified medical interest. Her fields ranges from public health to clinical services and from diagnostic to disease controlling measures. So I have seen her biodata. To me, it seemed that she is an intellectual grasshopper. An intellectual grasshopper jumping from one field to another, chirping often delightfully. So that's holding such potentialities, and who has come here today to share her views with you and also to distribute the certificates. So I will not take any more time, and I thank you all, and please keep it up. Thank you very much.